Let me just wipe your little face. Let me go. Are you filming now?
Yeah, I think I got it now.
Okay.
What are you drinking?
Chocolate.
Really?
Yep.
Have you ever been camping before?
Yep. Can I sit right there? Sure.
Other than just a little bit cold last night, we're doing pretty good, huh?
Yeah, we've recovered. It was devastating for moi.
Mm-hmm.
And Monkey cried a little bit, didn't you? You were kind of sad for a bit last night, weren't you?
Yeah. Because I didn't move both.
Was it a Bobo-related issue? Well, you know what? You got over it and you slept really well, I think, after that. You didn't cry again, did you? Wow. That's some big drinking, isn't it?
Yeah.
You want to sit down here?
Yep. You want to sit down there?
Yeah.
Okay. Just I'll sit down there. By my coffee.
Right by yours?
Yep.
There we go. What's going to work?
Teamwork.
What's going to work?
Teamwork.
Yay! Was that a lion? What was that?
They're just bacon.
You get the blame for it. Even if you didn't do it. What are you going to do? Go for a walk or something? Go find some grouse?
No. I think it's not here yet.
Oh.
He went away.
Did you see him earlier?
Where was he?
He was in a part on the road.
Up on the road up there?
Yeah. He moved down to see his family.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Well, that's a nice thing to do.
What kind of animal was he?
He was a bird.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Does he have a different name than bird?
What kind of bird?
I'm an eagle bird.
Oh.
Wow.
Like Mia. And then moved down to see his family in the tree.
Did he say, hi, little eagle? Baby eagle, come to my window. Baby eagle, come to my window.
No, that's your coffee.
Oh, thank you. No, don't hold it like that. Remember we talked? Nope, it doesn't work. There you go.
Yes, cheers.
Cheers. Where's D-Dog's cup? Should we cheers, D-Dog?
Cheers.
Cheers to you, Popalicious.
Cheers.
Yay.
Cheers, big.
Cheers. Cheers, big ears. La 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 la.
Say bye-bye.
Animals, girl.
Bye-bye.
La la. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.